Hey everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me show you this 2018 Chevy 1500 Crew Cab LTZ Z71 Redline Edition. It's the preferred LTZ on top of it. One owner, it's local. I bought it from the original owner. Carfax says it had a little ding. It was up here on the front. We had it fixed less than $1,000, which what's $1,000 at a body shop anymore? Not much. Black on black, red line edition. So you have the factory red stuff. Really cool. Has a blacked out look to it with just a little bit of chrome on it. Got the dark windows on it. Moonroof. Big touchscreen, heated cooled seats, remote start. Oh yeah, 6.2 liter V8. Can't forget about that. Four-wheel drive. Got the 5.5 foot box. Step bumper, roll-up tarp. Spray and liner, tow package. Man, you name it, this truck's got it. Beautiful black. Factory warranty, got the bumper to bumper and the drivetrain warranty left on it yet. Just a super nice truck. Hard to find right now, these low mileage trucks. Seated Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. And remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.